Hey there, how are you? It is Simon here. I hope you are doing well today. We are locked down, so I thought we would do Waterloo Sunset by the Kinks. The Kinks are one of my favourite British bands from the 1960s. This is a great tune. If you can play a pentatonic scale in C sharp minor, that will help you here. Pretty straightforward. I'll see you in a second. Hey there, thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Now let's get straight into the tune. On the demo, all I did was I put a little looper and I had some of the chords from the song. And I'm going to show you how to play all the parts I just played. Let's get straight into it. So the backing guitar first, we're going to talk about the rhythm guitar. It's pretty straightforward, just a bunch of open chords really. Now at the beginning I've got a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all quavers, 3, 4, 1 and 2 eighth notes, and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? Now, strumming pattern I've decided to use for this tune, we are going to play an E. So we've got E, B, A, 3 and 4 and 2, 2, E and da da da, B, A. Okay, pretty straightforward, right? Then we've got, and I know, F sharp minor. Here we've got an F sharp minor with a major 7. Wow. Then F sharp minor major 7, F sharp minor 7, 2nd fret, B major, back E, da da da, gaze on, B, da, A, da 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 da. Right. Now when I kind of relearnt this tune, something struck me that in this section coming up, it's pretty a rocky situation, which was a bit surprising to me because I never really thought of this as a super rocky thing. I know the Kinks are super rocky, but anyway, so here's what happens. You basically get this at the end of the Waterloo Sunset, I'm in paradise. Then the other guitar goes, right? So we've got an A, G sharp, and then and a 1. So on the actual record, what happens is you get a yeah? So something like that. But I guess if you're just playing sort of along with the record by yourself, it might feel a bit weird to go from this sort of nicey-nicey to, you know, yeah? So what I've done on the chart, which you can get directly from me at simonmorel.com/free-chart. So we come to the end of that paradise, you know, A. Then I'm playing 1, 2. 1, 2, A, G sharp. Then palm in, B, E, F sharp minor, B. Now, and then it basically goes back into the sunsets, you know, the bass. Right, okay, so that neatly leads us on to the bass, actually. So the bass in this tune plays those bits, you know. Now, I started here in the demo on this beat because I was going to run out of guitar, if you know what I mean. But actually the bass part is B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and then D sharp, and then C sharp, and then B, right? But obviously I ran out of room there. If you're really desperate to play that, all I did was I played 9, 7, 6, 9, 7, 6, 9, 7, right? Just basically through an E major scale from the B note to the B note. All right, now it loops around, then it loops around again, then there is a coda, which basically is the intro again. So if you were playing the chords in that section, do that again. Okay? And then it finishes on a B. Now, when we come to play the lead guitar part, it will be a bit more obvious. And that is it for the rhythm guitar in this song. Now, the lead guitar basically plays, I played a B up here, but I think on the record it's that one. It just sounded better up there for me, I don't know, whatever. Now we are playing 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Right, easy, right? So you need to mute the back of your hand here, and you play 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So I'm going down, down, up, 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 down. Right, and eventually it comes do, 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 do. That starts on the 3 of the bar. So we've got that final bar, so the 4th bar of the song, 1 and a 2, and then... Okay, as you can see here, C sharp minor pentatonic, which really E major pentatonic, right? Because we're in the key of E major. So slide 9 to 11, and then we're going to come back down 9, 9, slide 9, phrase 1. So let's have a little look at that. So we're going. All right, next one. Almost exactly the same thing. We're going to slide from 9 on the A string, then play a 9, play the 9 on the D string, slide from 9 to 11, right? And then 7, 9, 7, then slide from 9 to 11 on the A string, so 7, 9, 7 was on the low E string there, 9, 7, C sharp. All right, not too bad, right? So the whole thing, maybe we can play together. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a... Okay. Bingo. You have learnt Waterloo Sunset by the Kinks. What a terrific tune. Now, oh, that's right, one last thing. In the bits, right, there's just a whole bunch of little riffs. And they are really all in that kind of same area. Now, I must say, I'm sorry, I didn't learn those because there's only so many parts you can play at the same time. We've covered 3 parts. I reckon that's probably enough for today, hey? Thanks very much for watching. Do appreciate it. Please do subscribe, click the bell, and you'll get a notification of a new lesson every single week. If you're able to support the channel, do so at patreon.com/Simon Morel, where you get access to every single chart I've ever written, 3,000 charts, over 3,000 charts. My God, that's epic. And a whole bunch of other stuff, exclusive lessons, direct access to me. I'll help you out with any song you want to learn, all that sort of stuff. I'll see you soon. All the best. Bye for now.